In this video, we're going to take a look at using a CSV input. Well, there's actually two of them. One, you provide the list, and another, you can actually reference a file. In this one, we're going to look at the first option to provide a CSV list. So let's go in and start creating this. So we'll come in and create a new test method. We'll call it CSV input test. And I am going to shamelessly steal from this one right here, like so. And we'll call this CSV input test, like so. And let's come up with a little scenario. Let's say I want to take in a string, and we'll call that so what we're going to do is take in a string for a state name and integer for value 1 and value 2. So pretty simple example. And to come up with this, what we can do is come up with CSV source, like so. And what this is going to do is it's going to want a list of values. And let's come up with, we'll give it Florida, where I'm at, comma 1, comma 1. And that is going to be the first one. Oh, my mistake. And this here should be like so. So the CSV values are going to be a string. And now I'm going to do this. In this case, like so. We'll call Ohio. And let's do Michigan as well. So you can see that I've defined 3 strings. Each string is a CSV comma separated values. And we're passing these in. Pretty simple example. And what's going to happen is I have a string, a number. So my input is string, number. And let's go ahead and set up a system out. And we will do state name. And we'll do a equals like so. And then we'll add in val 1, val 2, and we need to get a little plus sign in here to make that happy, like so. So we could test a number of different things. This gives us a lot of capabilities as to what to test. And we can set up a lot of different scenarios of our condition under test by passing in, almost unlimited. You could have a dozen parameters that you're inputting here. So it really doesn't matter. There's no limitations there. And those what's going to happen is it will iterate over each line in your CSV source. So you can see here, we got Florida equals 1 to 1, Ohio equals 2 to 2, Michigan equals 1 to 1. Actually, let's change that to 3 to 1, just an example. So we can see that things are in fact changing there. So really, really powerful capability here and very convenient to add in to your test. So it allows you to specify if you're looking for different test calculation conditions, or you're probably going to be calculating something here. So if you think back to the test-driven development section of the course where we had money, we could add in currencies and exchange rates and do a lot of really interesting assertions as we built out that money example. So this is a really cool feature inside of JUnit 5. Gives you a lot of capabilities for writing your tests.